Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be sharing 5 essential maintenance tips to keep your diesel car running smoothly. Diesel cars are known for their durability and fuel efficiency. However, regular maintenance is crucial to maintain its optimal performance. So let's dive into these tips. Tip 1. Regular oil changes to ensure your diesel car's engine remains clean and healthy. Change its oil regularly. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended oil change intervals and use the appropriate type of oil for your vehicle. Tip 2. Check and replace the air filter. The air filter keeps dirt and debris out of your diesel engine. A clogged air filter can affect engine performance and lead to additional engine damage. Check the air filter regularly and replace it when it gets dirty. Tip 3. Inspect and replace the fuel filter. The fuel filter removes impurities from your diesel fuel before it enters the engine. A dirty fuel filter reduces fuel efficiency and can damage the engine. Inspect the fuel filter regularly and replace it when necessary. Tip 4. Check and top up the coolant. The coolant regulates the engine temperature in your diesel car. Check the coolant level regularly and top it up if needed. If you notice any coolant leaks or discoloration, have a mechanic inspect your car. Tip 5. Inspect and replace belts and hoses. The belts and hoses in your diesel car keep the engine running smoothly. Check them regularly for damage such as cracks or fraying, and have them replaced by a mechanic if necessary. Conclusion. In conclusion, these 5 maintenance tips will help you keep your diesel car in optimal condition for years to come. Regular maintenance is crucial for your car's longevity and fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car maintenance tips.